I really feel fortunate that I found Nicole and Gardenary. So I just followed directions and putting in the right soil and doing the intensive planting, and it worked the first time out. I'm Dee Van Eyck. My business is in Daisy's Garden, and I'm in Norman, Oklahoma. I originally had retired and then started another business, and it was in sustainable building, and it didn't do well. And when I closed it up, my accountant said, "You have to find another business quick." And she said, "What do you love to do?" And I said, "Garden." She said, "Then make a gardening business." So I did some research and I found Nicole and Gardenary. I think my biggest win as a garden consultant is seeing the changes in my clients, going from being nervous about what they were doing or unsure, and then having the confidence, oh my God, I actually grew that. I really feel fortunate that I found Nicole and Gardenary through the book, The Kitchen Garden Revival. It really spoke to me, and I immediately, it was during COVID, and I wanted to try it out. You know, the book, this is before the certification. And so I built some gardens for my elderly mother, and I built them high so that she didn't have to bend over. And I did all of the things, I just followed directions and putting in the right soil and doing the intensive planting, and it worked the first time out. So that made me want to become a consultant and go through the certification program. I'd like to think someone would hire me as their garden consultant because they trust me. I'll bring to them the information that they need, but also I can show them the skills and coach them all the way through. I can give them as little or as much as they want. You can find me online. My website is In Daisy's Garden, and that's DAISYS garden.com. And on Instagram, it's In Daisy's Garden.